The Rust Trial, Day 1. New Mexico State vs. Hannah GUITERREZ Reed, February 22nd of 2023. We finally arrived at the day where the Rust movie that traumatized the production cast and crew forever has stepped into court for trial. This horrible story that injured Joel Sosa and unalived the young life of cinematographer Leenda has divided many in opinion, as many hands played major roles that unfortunately and sadly caused and contributed to the accident on set. Who is to blame? Who should take responsibility? Who will spend their life with this hanging over their head for the rest of their life and or career in the movie industry? According to the defense, the bigger question is, was this about wealthy and well-known hothead Alec Baldwin cutting corners to save money and cut time, in which he should have called the movie Rushed, not Rust? Was it about Hollywood higher-ups skipping important protocols that need to be done and managed when operating and filming a movie with real action weapons on set? Was it a young weapons armorer who wasn't being professional and being careless during filming? Or was it something more that we didn't expect? A setup of some sort to sabotage someone, or in general, overall the movie? Hannah GUITERREZ Reed, whom was the official armor for the Western film, had pled not guilty to charges of involuntary manslaughter and tampering with evidence in relation to the passing and accident with Helena on October 21st, back in 2021, on a private property movie set ranch outside of Santa Fe. Famous actor and feisty personality Alec Baldwin, who was the person who pointed and aimed the weapon in her direction as it went off, unaliving her and wounding Joel as well with the same bullet, has been in question in headlines also, while battling his own lawsuits and allegations. The defense team for Hannah had a very impressive opening statement where they focused and highlighted the fact that they plan to prove to the court how their client has been targeted of a smear campaign and unfair scapegoat plan, as they were all too over-concerned with money and budgeting that they had Hannah split between two job roles and responsibilities: weapons armorer and prop assistant. Something not many know or seem to care about is the fact that it has been proven that Hannah was concerned about this issue and not having enough time to tend to all the important armorer duties that are mandatory in the industry and during production to make sure the set and use of its items were safe and properly executed. First thing I'd like to make clear is that it is common sense, and the production team as well were aware of this while being in the field and industry for many years. Never cut corners, especially when it comes to safety. Don't follow the rules and guides that are in place for this exact reason, and you have a recipe for disaster, in which they did. When OSHA had arrived on scene to review and evaluate, boy, were they not happy with what they saw and found. And let me remind y'all that this was not the only and first accident to happen on this set of Rust. 5 days prior to the main accident, there had been 2 accidental misfire incidents. One time with the prop master Sarah Zachary and Baldwin's stunt double. Both incidents happened 1 hour apart, apparently, and typically when something like this happens, the production and management is supposed to have, a halt in production and evaluate and assess the situation, how it happened, why it happened, and how to prevent it from happening again, which would usually lead to having all the cast and crew take into meetings and additional safety trainings. This was not done. Dave Hall did not make any efforts to want improvement, nor to even just follow filming protocols for the industry, which he knows. And he's a well-known, experienced person in this field. This simply added perfectly to the holes discussed by the defense team when taking apart the state's narrative and argument. It was very persuasive. Also, let me make mention and remind y'all, a lot of the camera crew had walked off the set and left the film that morning of the accident. In regards to their concern and anger over how unsafe they felt and how the conditions surrounding the whole production, which was nothing but problems and frustration, that tells us a lot in itself. As far as we know, there was no intent to harm and unalive anyone in this case, but there was plenty of recklessness. Like discussed before, this was not a surprise to anyone regarding problems, as they also had discovered days prior mixed live rounds with dummies, which should have raised more concern and eyebrows of management and production higher ups. This was found 12 days prior to the incident, and the total of live rounds that were found were 6 at the time. The emails I had mentioned before from Hannah Gutierrez was addressed to Gabrielle Pickle, where she expressed her concerns and requested to see if she could have more armor hours and time on set approved to complete all tasks accurately and thoroughly. She was denied. It was said they were only giving her 8 days total during the whole production to focus and be armor on set. It seems that production felt it was more important to have her assist Sarah Zachary, the prop master, roll cowboy cigarettes. It's ridiculous. A part-time weapons armor on set? Wow. Rumors had insinuated that Sarah Zachary did not mesh well with Hannah, and they did not necessarily get along. Sarah has not been charged with anything, but on list as a witness to testify. It has also been said that the scene in discussion didn't even really need the weapon, nor the dangerous cross draw that Alex exhibited on scene. Despite those debatable points, Alec also did the number one not to ever do when holding a pew-pew. Never ever point and aim at someone unless you intend to pull that trigger. And the pew-pew object was a design revolver, where you have to cock it back prior to pulling on the trigger piece. That is multiple steps, not one single action. In the same concern, it has been said Alec did not attend the proper training you need for the cross-draw action with Hannah. It is no secret that they could have opted for a use of special effects or graphics in replacement, but that would mean more money and funds needed for production, which clearly was not wanted. Despite the issues with props, time, money, funds, they also had issues with the equipment where, for example, ironically, the monitors were down that day. So there was no video village station set up for other crew and cast to follow along outside the scene and set. This is a concern as Hannah was not in the church set during the filming of the accident, which was not her fault. That day, they had her working on props, and also there was no armor prop supervision available beside her, and ultimately took her duty of being on set for safety and supervision of such scene and used the object, and went along to film regardless. Hall was present, so he let it be and continued to move forward without her attendance. Which causes the question to be asked. If she was literally not on production as an armorer anymore, due to apparently running out of that employment days allowed, then is she even to be held responsible for that job duty, as she was props and costume assistant that day? What a mess. All this was piling up before the situation in discussion. No wonder why so many people were fed up and walked off production. Now, some ask, why didn't she walk off set with the crew that did? First, they were all unionized workers, and she was not, apparently. And being young and fairly new still to the position in the industry professionally. Secondly, if she did walk off, it's arguable that could ruin her career, as she could be blacklisted in the Hollywood. And thirdly, it could also affect her father's reputation, who is Del Reed, very well-known and respected weapons armor master. Dave Halls had the responsibility to not have any use of or access to the weapons on set when there is no armor around, or employed at the time, but he decided against that. Now, I didn't get to the juicy, odd, interesting, questionable stuff yet. You just wait. Excuse me, Your Honor. Just a quick message. If you love this channel and want to see it expand more and you are able and willing, please feel free to make a donation towards more content, studio supplies, and even gas and fuel costs for road trips and planned adventures that I would love to show you and bring you along for the ride. I know money is tight and difficult for many. Oh, trust me, I get it. So please don't feel that you must if you can't. A simple thumbs up and or comment on this video helps a lot in itself and is always much appreciated. Thank you for your continued support, and back to the video.
And then come back out.
What
Dismissed, and we give you all the
happened?
don't forget language.
What happened?
Okay, it'll come clear to you. You're all gonna go out. He's gonna ask you that question. He's gonna get your answer, and then he's gonna give me the answer on that piece of paper, and
Something
then you're all
happened.
gonna come back in. Okay?
What the fuck just happened? Did the jurors get exposed to a live stream? The jurors haven't been shown on screen. What the fuck is happening? The judge is asking the jurors a question. So the judge is like, you need to go out, you need to answer this question. The bailiff's gonna ask you this question, I need your answers. Something fucking's happening. Damn it, I hate not knowing. Something is happening. And
You may be seated.
they're gonna break trial for the day today. We've only been doing this like an hour this afternoon. What the fuck? What the fuck is happening? Your Honor! No, don't. What? How can we explain what is happening? I need all of the media personality in the courtroom to tell us what's happening, but they probably don't know either. Oh, trial! Your Honor, we need to know what happened. Something fucking happened. Don't give me the seal! Tell us what happened. That is the weirdest thing I've ever seen. I've never seen a judge say to the jury, we need to ask you a question, go out, tell the bailiff the answer, and come back in. Never seen it. We have a lot of jury stuff go down, amongst other things, in Murdaugh. But I am not happy about whatever fuckery's afoot, but
Now, all laughs aside of chaotic court moments with Emily D. Baker, we have to remember we had lost someone in all this tragedy. When I said there were more bombshells to come, well, I wasn't kidding. Something you want to take notes on or keep in the back of your mind is the name Seth Kenney. This person, everything seems to lead back to this person. He is the props supplier for the Rust movie production. They had purchased these boxes that are supposed to be dummy rounds from him, PDQ, I believe it was, props, and the person that was doing the props, that was the boss there of Hannah, was a woman named Sarah Zachary, and she has a relationship with Seth. They know each other, they've worked with each other before, so keep that in mind. Now, there was rumors that after the scene had happened, Sarah supposedly sent out a text saying emergency and was talking on the phone with Seth Kenney right after. And there was rumor that Sarah removed rounds from the actors' pew-pews that were on set and threw them out because she was panicking. Now that would be evidence tampering, would it not? But she's not being charged with anything. Does that seem a little weird to anybody? Well, law enforcement arrived and they never found in that trash where I believe they said it was claimed to be the trash that was inside or next to the props trailer truck. They never found them. Never recovered them.
Where's the props guy? Where's the props guy at?
We don't know where it is right now. Can you find out?
I'm sorry, I know you have a job, but we need
Yes.
to make sure that they...
Yes, they're taking care of business. What else do you need there, Chief?
Yeah. Where's my radio? It was just here. There, thank you.
They already cleared the gun.
Where is it?
You got the cleared gun?
I'm already going. It's on track.
I need clearing it.
Where is it?
It's not here.
There's one there and there's one there. That's none of them?
That's not the gun.
Okay.
It's on the cards.
I need to know where it is.
Getting the armor.
You're in charge, ma'am?
Yes, I am.
I need to know where the gun's at right now.
Yes. Bro, armor, I need to know where the guns are at. There. Right there.
Y'all are about to see Hannah. She's going to enter the frame on the right-hand side with the greenish yellow, purplish blue hair.
How do I know this is a gun?
That's the gun.
Okay. Come with me. Where are they at?
I don't know. His name's Dave. Dave, do you have those rounds I gave you?
What? No. They're on the card.
Are they?
I don't know.
Well, who would you give them to?
I gave them back to you.
I gave.
I'll get them. They're right.
No, these are extras I used up there. Yeah, that's not it. The one.
6-5, it's not going to be the first entrance, it's going to be the second one on Bonanza Creek. 10-4, thank you.
Box dummy. There's someone here that knows me.
This is where you're about to see things come to light for Hannah, and she's starting to panic.
I'm so. Are they okay?
Hey, Santa Fe, we need more units out here.
Huh?
I haven't been inside, I don't know.
God, oh my God.
I already notified police that we're going to get started.
I already have been yelled at several times. I just don't want to.
At this point, the ambulance is taking Joel Sosa to a local hospital for his condition. As for Helena, they're trying to keep her to the point of stabilization so they can airlift her, but they're having difficulty doing that.
So, okay,
You have rounds here.
there should, okay, no, so, this is the one, I'm pretty sure, this is it, that's the one, and okay, sorry.
You're
I'm
okay.
sorry.
Just relax. Just relax.
So scared, I'm
You're all right. Just relax.
So here's the box that I got them out of.
Okay. Leave them right there. Leave them right there. Okay. Just relax. I just need you to relax. Just relax. Okay. I just need you to relax. Just please relax. Okay. Just take deep breaths and relax. Can somebody get water for her?
Yeah.
Did the ambulance leave?
No. No. The helicopter's here for her. Yeah. The helicopter's here for her.
Is she fucking, where the fuck are these entry wounds? Is she okay? Can
I don't-
somebody tell me anything?
I don't know anything. I just. Right now, I don't know. I'm just trying to secure everything. Okay? So I need to know, before I start getting information, she's the armor. Who are you?
I'm the production designer.
Okay, thank you. And you?
I'm the unit production manager.
Okay, thank you.
Yep.
I won't remember your names. I'm sorry. So,
Nope, you're fine. You're fine.
can somebody get him water?
Yep, I need to.
Oh my god.
Hi, my name is Shannon Hughes.
Hi.
My husband and I own the ranch.
Okay, my name's Tim.
Nice to meet you.
Okay, so,
They should be insured for this.
yes, I mean, I'm not worried about the insurance. I'm worried about her life. So,
Oh, absolutely.
Okay,
That's
so-
what I'm saying.
so
No movie's worth this. Shit.
no,
Lady, your issue and shit with this can wait till tomorrow.
we are bringing a whole lot of units here because there's a whole lot of people here.
Yes, we're trying
Okay.
to clear them out.
Nope, nobody's getting cleared out. Everybody is staying where they're at.
Okay.
Okay, we're trying. That's what so difficult. We're trying to. hold
This is where
everybody they're
more chaos started to ensue because people are everywhere. This is supposedly a crime scene
You're
and
not
there's
arrested.
shit
The door's
everywhere.
gonna stay open. Since you're the armor, they're gonna want to talk to you more than anybody. Okay.
Can I please have that water?
Yes.
Oh my god.
Just relax. Okay. I'm just trying to. There's a whole lot of people here, so I'm trying to secure everybody.
Do you want me to stay with you?
You can stay right here with
I
her.
will stay right here with you. I will not go anywhere.
You can leave the door open. You don't have to do anything. Okay. Hey, to the med. Hey, Santa Fe. If I could have a unit head to St. V's, we got one shot in the shoulder. That one's going to St. V's. The helo just landed, and they are trying to get that other 41 stable. So if I could have somebody go to St. V's and with this other subject.
Copy, 1031 shot in the shoulder, St. V's, have a unit, need a mess.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Turn the radio in the truck down.
No, not at all. I'm sorry.
Make sure you're in there, St. V's.
I didn't even snap to that. Thank you.
No, that's all right.
58, I'm done.
Well, I got these four people there in the room. Alex Baldwin, the actor, he's the one who pulled the trigger. Do you want me to have him sit tight or
Yeah, he's gonna have to sit tight.
sit tight?
I have the armor in here. This is all their stuff. I have the gun used is in there.
And I got the two people that were in the room.
Okay.
You gonna have Alex Baldwin take a seat in the back of my unit or?
No, we know where he's at. We know who he is.
Yeah.
We just need to stay. Is he in a trailer?
He's right there. In the gray black.
Okay. All right. So try to keep him away from everybody.
Okay.
Not to talk to anybody.
Okay. I can set him in my unit.
That's fine. Even if they have a production car, if you get all the director, get a production car. Is it? Sorry, I didn't. You know,
No. I'm just trying to, I'm here for you, man.
Yeah, I'm just trying to.
Let me know how I can help you.
Yeah. Are you in the room? Okay.
Brian!
So notice there's people everywhere, there's stuff everywhere. They can't find things. No one really knows where everything is. So more and more evidence could have been tampered with. So remember I mentioned Seth Kenny. During court, we found out that he was also supplying and providing ammunition to the live action and live prop use. which is not really a prop, for Yellowstone 1883. We also saw in court photographs of the condition of his prop shop, and it was a total mess. Shit show. Is it possible rounds were mixed?
Going over what was going to happen in the set, and she got shot in the chest. And then
It was also said and found out that the extras or leftovers were never turned in to Fel Reed. Wouldn't you think that the things I had told you about Sarah Zachary and now with Seth Kenny, you would just overall think that over time in this investigation, their phones would be, looked into, their conversations, and, they would look at data and DNA prints and all this stuff with those two, but they didn't. It's very strange. Why isn't anyone bringing this up?
Do you want to talk to me, sir?
Sir. Alec is he's gonna smoke a cigarette and then he'll sit in his own car. That's his vehicle.
Alec Baldwin?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. I'm good, thanks. I just drank a Red Bull right before, and I'm all hyped up. Sorry.
We're standing by at the entrance of Bonanza Creek, the single road at the end of this is coming out.
Okay.
I'm gonna stand by, so if you need to...
Yes, please. You doing okay?
No!
Read 6-5, start rolling towards H direction until we hear from him.
Lieutenant! Lieutenant!
Careful. 6-5 is ready.
Oh, I thought you were the lieutenant. I need somebody to check that 41, the armor. She's having a panic attack. I need somebody to check for her.
Okay.
Okay.
The armor?
Yeah, she's the armor. She's hyperventilating. She's having a...
Hey, Dan, can you grab your bag?
I gotta go get that guy. He was here. So can I come back in?
What's that?
With witnesses and testimonies that are all saying these supposed rumors and things that happened,
The one on the right. I'll go get him.
I just don't get it.
Thank you. Thank you for...
I just don't get it. It is said that Seth Kenny and Sarah Zachary will be testifying as witnesses in court in the trial, but they were not charged with anything. And overall, some of this could have stemmed all the way back from the beginning in the prop shop, mixed in the prop shop. Yes, Hannah's job is to check it,
Hey, Doc.
but also it's not fair to her that she left and right was set up to the point where how could she do her job thoroughly and accurately with all the pressure she was on and dealing with a boss that did not like her and was having her do little petty jobs here and there with props and costumes.
Okay, hold on. All right, let me see who you guys are. I don't want too many people here. Okay, hold on.
You can post them wherever you need.
What's that?
I don't have any additional security guards. I got one. I got to keep the gate.
Okay.
I've got my two guys right here. You can post them wherever you want.
Okay, thank you. I'll figure that out. Let me go see what's going on with these guys, and I'll be right back.
These guys are standing by.
Yeah, thank you.
Now, prior to this trial, it was said that Hannah Gutierrez was claiming and suing both Seth Kenny and Sarah Zachary, saying that they were sabotaging the set and movie or targeting her.
our camera operators. He was in the room.
Okay, come here, sir. How's it going? My name is Lieutenant Benavides.
Can I go to the hospital?
Not yet.
Okay.
Not yet. So, Corporal, we got a camera operator who was in the room. Okay?
Perfect.
Okay, it's just hard. We can't let all people in and out. So if you could, I'm gonna try to get over here. Yeah.
6365 and 22 are out with the.
Okay, I'm trying to find the director, whoever directed us on who was in the room. I'm trying to find her so she could help me out and make sure we have everybody. Okay.
I can do that.
Okay.
I'm the UPM. This is, if it's not her set, it's mine.
Okay.
So I can help you. Tell me how I can.
Okay. Who is this?
This is our lawyer.
Okay. Lieutenant Benavides, I didn't mean to be rude to you, ma'am. I'm sorry. I'm just trying to secure. I'm just trying to secure everybody. And who is that? Benavides.
No, you're fine. That's
So
okay.
I have a whole lot of people coming this way. So.
Yeah.
Okay.
So Casey, one of our co-producers.
Okay.
These two gentlemen right here are Lucas and Marcos. They're my locations peeps.
Yes.
A little farther down in the white is Shannon. She's the owner of the ranch. The
Okay.
gentleman who I was talking to earlier in the brown hat is Brian, the production designer.
Yes, I met him.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll be with you in a little bit, ma'am. Okay. Let me talk to my guys to secure this area. Corporal, I need somebody on that side to secure, so we're not going in and out. We're trying. Everybody pretty much that's in is staying in. Okay. I have not started a crime scene log because it's still fluid. We still have the helo on deck. Okay. I don't know.
Patient still here then?
One patient still here. Did we have somebody going to the hospital?
Yeah, 6-8 is.
Okay.
Where do you want the other person at?
If you could stand on that side and make sure people aren't coming in and out. Everybody that's in stays in. Okay. Here also, I have the corporal on that side with Sanchez. He's still trying to get the information. It looks like we have all the people that were in the room.
I was in the room.
Okay, come here. If you could go see that gentleman. Sanchez!
Yeah.
I need you to stay by my unit.
Okay.
I have the weapon in my truck.
Okay.
And all the ammunition on that tray.
Okay.
Okay.
So it's an actual gun?
It was Alec Baldwin. He's sitting over there. He shot, and then he got the gun from the armor who I have in my car. She's not under arrest. She's just the armor. So she's in there. So if you could help with that, and this will be your entry point right here. Okay.
So the 3's over here. On his way over.
Yep.
Hey, LT, and I still have those charges pending in the jail. Okay. Because I told him to take some evidence. So that's the weapon you're securing?
No.
Or it's in here?
It's in my unit. But all these. Okay. This is what she said. This is the one that's empty. This is the one that she said. Guns came from.
Do you have to know social caliber size?
It's a 45. I have the dummy rounds right here. It's a 45.
Okay.
Okay, and we will. Let's go this way. I have a lawyer here already.
Okay.
Okay, we need a date of birth for the med.
Date of birth and social.
For me or for her?
For her.
Would anybody have that?
Yeah, give me 2 seconds.
Thank you.
And the name was Leenda Hutchinson, is that correct?
Helena Hutchins, Hylena. Here, I can get it for you.
You got it, Doc?
Thank you.
Yep. So I have.
Looks like Alec Baldwin is the one that pulled the trigger.
Yeah, but I have the armor in my unit. I have the gun with Puentes, and there the tray has the dummy rounds. Okay. I have Frederick on that side. Puentes is taking care of here. He's gonna start taking care of the log.
I got this down until they get the patient still behind there until they finish pre-dogging and then I'll put it up.
Okay. Make sure everybody goes to Sanchez. All the personnel that were in there.
Yeah.
Make sure he has everybody. Okay.
Let's try and get Sanchez up there. There's a lot of people here.
Yeah, I have more people coming. She okay? She okay?
She's shaking up.
I know. That's why I called the meds for her.
Yeah.
I want her checked to make sure she's not,
I think they're testing her sugar level right now.
Okay. We just need her good.
I'll bring it back.
Yeah. All right.
Okay.
Careful as well. Just questioning.
Well,
Yeah.
as long as she's okay.
Yeah.
She's already dealing with all this.
Yeah.
She needs to get. She needs to be good.
Here too.
Okay.
Let me know if you have any questions about anything.
Yes. So she told me which guns were. Which bullets came from it. I'm gonna keep everything else the same. I'm gonna keep
these, like these here.
Uh-huh.
Those are dummies.
Okay. Well, I'm pretty sure somebody will be asking, not us, but the detective.
Yeah, I understand.
Yeah, so that's already secured. Somebody getting your crime logs?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's because I switched my unit.
LG. Okay. I got 2 extra people which help me out, helping secure this area. We have people in line to take their information. Right now, there is a lot of people here. Okay. So right now I do have the dummy rounds, the armor, and the gun secured. Okay. Yes, that's when I grabbed her right away. She was, and we did secure the film. We do have the film secured, which they'll have to go over with you how to use it and all that. But that's going to be later down the line, I guess, or whenever. But everything was getting filmed. Okay. The helo's still on the ground. Right now, I don't know. They're still working her. They're still working. It was a through and through the chest. Yes, sir. Okay, bye. Did we get a crime scene log for Puentes? Did we get a crime scene log for Puentes?
I can't find any of my truck.
Okay, you ladies doing okay?
Just waiting on your green light.
Yes.
I'm to be getting wherever it is that people are being interviewed.
Okay, that's not going to be on us. The detectives are coming.
Okay, so it's not begun yet.
What's that?
The interviews have not yet begun.
Nope, I have nothing.
Okay.
We just secured the armor.
Okay.
We secured the gun.
Okay.
And the ammunition.
Okay.
That's the only thing we've done.
That's the only thing that's happening right now.
Yes,
Okay.
and then we are getting all the information, all the people that were in the room.
Okay.
Okay. I'm gonna go check on the victim, and then
I thought I already went to the hospital.
No, she's still here. She's
still here.
They're trying to stabilize her.
Okay.
I will let you know how she's doing.
Please.
I know you guys are concerned.
Yes.
So I'm gonna let you guys know. Okay.
Yes, thank you. I appreciate that.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
How you doing, sir? Hey Doc, is there any way I could put the air conditioner on for you guys? Okay.
You guys have a direct?
Is that a Mac 3? What do we? She's alive right now. Stable. She's pretty stable right now. They're RSIing her and then they're gonna fly her out.
Okay.
Yeah. So she's alive.
Okay.
Yeah.
She is stable.
She's critical, but she's stable.
Okay. Thank you. Critical but stable. Yes, through and through the chest. What's up, Chief? Sir?
What's taking so long?
They're trying to stabilize her. We have the medic in there from the med, and they're trying to stabilize her. It looks like, I just asked, they said they're trying to stabilize her. She's critical, so
Yeah.
well, you know that.
No, I know. I'm just sometimes
Sorry about your blues. I know you're at the
ceremony. Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, after the
20203, clear from the 81 road.
I have 2-4 getting on a lot.
Thank you.
What else do we need? We got everything secured. We just gotta get names now.
Yes.
Who's in here?
Sanchez! Where is everybody?
103,
Where are they?
She's here. Medic. One of the guys went to the back. This Russell guy, the one.
Okay, I need everybody right here separated. I thought that's what the corporal told you. Get everybody here separated.
Okay.
Nobody leaves.
All right. One guy already left to the hospital. That was his best friend. I don't know what.
Is he the one that was following him?
Yeah. No, he was here.
So who's your supervisor? You're the scene? Get with her and get his name.
I have it. I have his name and I have his number.
Nobody, get everybody here. Nobody else leave, Sanchez.
Okay.
All those people in the back, they part of this?
Yes, everybody. Yes. Yeah, that's why I was calling for more units, because we had people everywhere. Need it open?
No, I just letting him know that I'm trying to correct some law right now.
It's open. Yeah, and you can get a clipboard. Okay, so she's stable but critical. They're trying to stabilize her so she can get on that helo.
Okay.
Okay, so that she is alive, but critical condition, and they're trying to stabilize her so they could be comfortable when they get on that helo.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you for that.
Okay, but I will give you, if you see them taking up to the helo, that's a good sign they stabilize her.
Yes.
And they're gonna fly her out. Yes. Okay.
Alright, so we got one in critical.
Anything else? I'm gonna find you guys. Okay.
Yeah, no, please do. We'll be
Okay.
here. If I have another question.
Okay. You'll see the detectives. They're all in unmarked cars.
Yep.
They're gonna come in a crime scene van.
Okay.
Okay. And when they get here, I'll give you the lieutenant and.
Perfect.
Okay.
Thank you.
And I'll hand them over to you.
Thank you.
Okay.
I appreciate
Yes, ma'am. She doing okay? He was inside the.
He was inside?
Yes.
Do you mind if we move her to another vehicle? I think having her sit in the back of a cop car intensifies this.
What kind of car? If you get a car right here, where we can watch her.
Yeah.
Because as soon as the detectives get here, they're gonna.
No, I understand.
Okay. So if you
It's
get
just-
another car.
It elevates the situation.
That I asked her. That's why I asked her. You heard.
Okay.
You know, I just wanted her in one place. I didn't want her to pass out and fall down.
No, I understand. Okay.
So if you get another car. All right.
Copy, sir.
So what do you think, you guys? We're off to a lot of new information that we didn't have before. Tell me what you think in the comments down below. I'm Leenda, and that's for the record, Your Honor.